Hey everybody, it's Bill the RV guy here. I got something brand new on the lot today that I want to show you. It is a Flagstaff Classic 826 BHS and it is loaded. 3 slide outs in an under 30-foot trailer, automatic leveling, upgraded awning with weather shield, 200 watts of solar with a 1,000-watt inverter, and a lot of other goodies. Check it out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this walk around of the Flagstaff 826 BHS. We just got this in stock. I don't think it's going to last very long. It is a great floor plan. 3 slide outs, bunkhouse, all kinds of extras. It even comes with a Forest River spatula. How cool is that? Again, I'm Bill the RV guy. Please remember to like the video, share it. We appreciate it. Come see me. My contact information's coming up now.